When we make our cheese, the milk is split into curds and whey. The curd is used to make milky mozzarella, and the whey byproduct is used to make the lightest, fluffy ricotta. Come on in and let's have a look how Italian caseifici, like Vannella Cheese, have been using this byproduct to make beautiful ricotta for centuries. Come on. As you can see, some rennet has been added to the milk, which has caused this solidification to happen. As we cut the curds, the whey starts to come out. And since these baths are perforated, we can collect all of it at the bottom. Ricotta is potentially the greatest waste reduction measure for a cheese factory. All this whey is retained and will be used to make beautiful ricotta. The word ricotta literally means recooked, referring to the process of reheating the whey byproduct to produce something new. So traditional ricotta should always contain whey as the main ingredient. The first thing you notice when you walk over to the ricotta section is the smell. It's so sweet. To the whey, we add fresh milk and then some salt. Now we stir at a high temperature, adding some acidity to make it split, and we wait and watch patiently the magic of ricotta ever so gently rising to the surface. Finally, the ricotta is carefully scooped into their baskets before being sent out the door.